In this video, we are going to learn the best websites for instrumentation and control technology. And to make it more valuable, the video is divided into 5 categories: field instrumentation, valves, control valves, on-off valves, relief valves, control system and automation, and the hot topic of functional safety. So stick till the end where I will give you a PDF resource of all of these things combined together. The first in our list of the best websites for instrumentation is not a website actually, but this is one of the best resources. This is called as Lessons in Industrial Instrumentation. The version 2.33 is the latest as of now. This is the link. I'll also share the link in the PDF below. But understand that this ebook, which is a juggernaut with 3311 pages, is something which is a very strong foundation for any instrumentation engineer. It covers a lot of topics, for example flow, temperature, pressure, level, and also the basic topics. And the best thing about it is explained in a very simple diagram with a lot of examples that helps you to understand, and I would highly recommend this. The second in our list, the reason for having this website is because as an engineer you must be aware of what is recently happening in the market, what are the latest instruments which are launched, which companies are focusing on what. For that reason you have processinstrumentation.com. Here you will get all the updates like what is happening with Anderson Hauser, Emerson, what are their various options available, what is IoT, which instrumentation is coming. So to get updated with every single thing, Process Instrumentation is the go-to website. The next amazing website in our list is an upcoming website called as worldofinstrumentation.com. It has a lot of important resources like learning about flow, temperature, pressure, level, and control valves, etc. So I would recommend this could be one amazing website which has a lot of potential in the coming years to learn a lot of instrumentation knowledge. If you want to learn about valves, I don't think there is any other website better than this one, especially, which is valvemagazine.com. In this website you will learn a lot of important details. Where you need to head on is to the technical section. There you will get to learn a lot of things of what is happening, which are the codes and the standards available, and every single thing about valves. For example, an hydrogen standard has been created by MSS, so you get to know all of those things plus the basics, for example how electrical actuators work, etc. So I highly recommend this website if you want to learn valves in depth. Another amazing website for valves is going to be controlglobal.com. Controlglobal.com is not just for valves, but I find the valve section to be very helpful. You have a lot of amazing articles like control valve sizing, data, how the split range work, etc. So I highly recommend this website for control valves. The next amazing website, especially for automation section now, is going to be realparts.com. In this website you are going to learn a lot of amazing details like ladder logic programming. You're going to learn about syncing, sourcing. They are especially focused on automation. You will learn a lot of details here. Their blog is amazing. They even have a YouTube channel with almost, I think, close to 1 million subscribers. So I would highly recommend this website, especially for automation and control engineers. The next website available is going to be instrumentationtools.com. This is one of the best and the most amazing website that is available. You will get to learn a lot of free courses on PLC, SCADA, etc. And there are almost 1,000 plus articles written, which is highly recommended according to me for any automation or field instrumentation engineer. Next website that we are going to see is engineeringmedia.com. This is by Brian Douglas. He is a very passionate engineer, especially he has explained terms like control theory, system dynamics, fuzzy logic, and he explains things in a very simple fashion. I highly recommend his website, especially for control engineer, to dive into complex concepts which are explained in a simple way, and he also teaches MATLAB, so you get to learn a lot of wealth of information in just one website about control systems. Now we will shift our focus to functional safety. Now as a beginner, this course I think on Chronic can be helpful. So this is not complete website on functional safety, but I found this to be valuable. Maybe you might enjoy this. It covers the IEC 61508 and IEC 61511 standard. There are a lot of important concepts covered, like for example risk assessment, how do you have the generic data, SIL verification, a calculation example. So I think this is one of the starting point that you can use to learn functional safety. The next website that I think is not only for functional safety but all engineers must be aware has to be CSB. The Chemical Safety Board is one of the most amazing organization that makes amazing videos with respect to the accidents that happen, and here's their investigation report. I highly recommend reading these reports, and if you see, a lot of accidents are actually caused because of instrumentation and control engineering issues. So that is why I highly recommend, and this can really be helpful in your functional safety, HAZOP studies, etc. to understand why a particular accident happened and how you can protect it in the future. And if you've enjoyed the video and if you want a PDF summary of all of these websites together, then the link is given in the video description. You can easily download it.